Hi, are you ready to launch a profitable online course in 5 days? Start with no niche, no audience, and finish with a ready to sell offer, high converting page, and simple tech that just works. Hi, I'm a professional trainer and consultant here at Hills Leadership and Training Institute, LLC, where I build courses in government contracting, financial literacy, and leadership development. In this 5 day course accelerator, you will find a focused hand on program designed to help you create and launch a profitable online course from scratch in just 5 days. This program is structured to guide even complete beginners through every essential step, eliminating those common roadblocks such as a lack of niche clarity, technical overwhelm, or marketing know how. So here's an opportunity to transform your expertise into a profitable online course in just 5 days. And even if you're starting from scratch, this hand-on accelerator will guide you step by step from identifying a winning ideal and crafting a compelling title to scripting your course, building out a sales page, and all without a lot of techie stuff. So with this course, you'll overcome every obstacle and finish the week ready to launch and sell your course to the world. Again, this 5 day course accelerator is ideal for anyone who wants to break into the online course market quickly and effectively, regardless of prior experience or technical skills. The program structure, support, and tools ensure that every participant can build a course from nothing and start making sales quickly. If you want to learn more, then go to the show notes or the show description, click the link. You will be directed to the page that allows for you to fill out an inquiry, or you could get started right away. Again, this is the 5 day course accelerator designed to get you up and running. See you there. Bye.